what are the common types of eating disorders and how do they affect people? And also, what are the common presentations of disordered eating? I'm Professor Frank Joseph, consultant endocrinologist and founder of Dr. Frank's Weight Loss Clinic. And I'm going to try and demystify this a little bit and see if it can help us understand the complexity of these conditions. The most common eating disorders are anorexia nervosa, bulimia, and binge eating disorder. Most eating disorders focus way too much on body image and size, on weight itself, and food. And this can lead to very dangerous eating habits. Disordered eating, on the other hand, is an irregularity in eating patterns and behaviors that isn't as severe as one would see in eating disorders and can present in all kinds of different ways. So, for example, some people are prone to frequent dieting. They have anxieties about specific foods, and often they skip meals as a means of managing their weight. They tend to have chronic weight fluctuations as well as part of disordered eating. They can also give in to rigid rituals and routines around food and diet and exercise. And in some people, there can be feelings of shame and guilt associated with eating too. The most important thing in the weight management field is that we have to really identify people on this spectrum between eating disorders, which are the extreme and severe condition that needs a whole different approach of helping these people to deal with their eating disorder, as opposed to people who have milder disordered eating, which often results in chronic weight gain, weight loss, and weight regain again. And there are other solutions that we can offer them too to try and support that. If you've struggled with eating disorders and any of these conditions that have been a challenge for you, it's always helpful for us to know and share. The thing about this journey is that people think they're walking it alone, but actually a lot of people are on the same path. And often the solution to other people finding an inspiration to try and help themselves overcome the situation that they find themselves in. So always encourage people to destigmatize these conditions, because all we want to do is try and help people deal with the problems that they're facing.